Hello everyone, I am Vani, Assistant Professor Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Here is my lecture video series on topic proportional logic in the subject overview of logic and computation. In the last series we have seen what is the introduction to proportional logic, what are the proportion, logical connectives, and truth table, tautology and contradiction. Last class we have explained introduction of proportional logic, the key concepts of proportions with examples, and what is the type of proportion. In this series we are going to see what are the types of proportion and the purpose, what are the purpose we are using the types of proportion. There are two types of proportions, that is atomic proportion and compound proportion. Here let's see what is an atomic proportion. It is a combination of a simple logical statement, that is it can be a statement or a value or a symbol combination, a single statement with a meaningful formation, that is the sky is blue or 2 plus 2 equal to 4, it is raining. A simple sentence, making of a simple sentence with a logic, it's known as an atomic proportion, whereas compound proportion is the combination of an atomic proportion as well as a complex formation of sentence, such as the sky is blue and the sun is shining. It combines the sky is blue and the sun is shining. Here's the next example. It is raining or the ground is wet. It combines it is rain and the ground is wet. It is not, in the negation case, it is not raining, we will use in this condition. These are the combination of a compound proportions. These are the difference between an atomic proportion and a compound proportion. Next series we are going to see what are here the next type of next to the types of atomic types of proportion, we are going to see declarative sentence. Let's see what is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is a statement that can be either true or false. It expresses a fact or a statement that that is the foundation of a proportional logic. Here is a key statement, that is a declarative sentence makes a statement that can be evaluated for its true value, that is it can be either true or false but not both the combination. These are the declarative sentence. The next one is natural direction of a proportional logic. Natural direction is nothing but it is a proof system of a proportional logic where the rules that can be assigned for human reasoning patterns, that in this approach we use to build the inference rules to assumptions, and from that we will derive the statements that aiming to reach the desired conclusion. The next one is rules for natural direction. Here are these are the rules that are using in natural direction, such as conjunction introduction, conjunction elimination, disjunction introduction, disjunction elimination, implication introduction, implication elimination, negation introduction, negation elimination, and double negation introduction. These are the rules we are going to use for the purpose of a natural direction. By using these conditions, we will introduce the condition and eliminate the process wherever they occur, and finally we conclude that the following statement is proved according to the natural deduction. See, next in this these are the derived rules that it is not they are the rules not fundamental for fundamentals and for ANSIM or inference rule that can be proved from that. uh, Derived rules are the rules that can be uh, give the actual output for the propositional logic. We can see the what are the derived rules we are going to use. um, we can see that in the next series. Thank you.